In this video, I'll show you how to change your mouse cursor using code. Before we get started, you'll need to import an image to use as a mouse cursor. The image can be any size as long as it's under 256 by 256 pixels. To get started, create a new script. Open up the script and delete all this rubbish. At the top of the script, we're going to put the following line of code. You can call the variable whatever you want. In my case, I've called it cross cursor. Inside the speech marks here, you'll want to put the path to your image. You can get the path to your image by right-clicking it and selecting copy path. I'm going to add a second variable to load my I-beam cursor. These lines of code load and save the image as a variable so that we can use it later on. Next, we'll want to create a ready function. Anything inside this function will be run once the script has been loaded. Inside of the ready function, we're going to put this line of code. This line of code is used to set the custom mouse cursor and accepts 3 parameters. The first parameter is the image that you want to use. This is where you'll put the name of the variable that we created earlier. In my case, I'll use my cross cursor. The second parameter is the mouse shape or mouse type that you want to change. I'll be changing the cursor arrow mouse, which is the main mouse type. I'll leave a list to all of the mouse types that you can change in the description. The third parameter is the hotspot. The hotspot is the point of the image that will be used as the detection point. For example, the detection point on a normal mouse is here. However, I want mine to be in the center of my image. My image is 32 by 32, so I'll set my detection point as 16 by 16. If you don't need to change your hotspot, you can remove this parameter. Under this, I'm going to be putting another line of code which changes the I-beam cursor. Finally, to get our custom mouse cursors, we'll need to auto-load the script. To do this, head to Project, Project Settings, and head on over to Autoload. Select this little folder icon here and select the script that we just created. Remember to click Add. And that's about it. Don't forget to test your code to make sure that it works. Before you go, consider checking out the video on screen as YouTube thinks you'll like it.